Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. कैसी रही आप लोगों की दिवाली? मैंने तो बहुत मजा किया. Hopefully आप लोग की भी दिवाली बहुत ही अच्छी गई हो. And in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about hair mask. मैंने इतने सारे hair mask try किए, but आज के वीडियो में I'm gonna be talking about only my top favorite hair mask of all time. इसमें से आप कोई भी ले सकते हो because सभी अच्छे रहने वाले हैं. So I've picked few of them which I'm gonna be talking about in today's video. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
Before we get started, let's talk about the basics. What is a hair mask? When do we use it? How do we use it? Let's talk about it. So, ये hair mask होता क्या है? It's like a conditioner, but it's a level up because it has concentrated nutrients and ingredients that your hair needs to recover from a damage or any possibility that your hair is facing. When do we use it? It totally depends on your hair. If your hair is very much damaged, probably once a week. If your hair is like okay, then once or twice a month is more than enough. इसमें दो टाइप होते हैं, प्रोटीन वाला hair mask and the other one is moisture intense hair mask. Now which one do I use? Totally depends on what your hair needs at that moment. So let's talk about it. When do you use a moisture intense hair mask? When your hair is feeling very dry, brittle, or environmental changes like winter आने वाला है, air is naturally very dry. Your curly hair is dry as well. It gets even more drier and brittle if your hair is breaking while you're combing and you have those multiple short broken hair, probably needs a moisture treatment. So that's when you go for a moisture intense hair mask. I like to use a protein intense hair mask when I've done hair treatment, chemical treatment, straighten my hair, a lot of heat damage, or your hair is just limp, it's not curling properly, you have a lot of straight ends and your just curls are not curling properly, that's when you go for a protein mask. Hopefully basics clear ho gaye. Now let's talk about the products one by one. The first hair mask I want to talk about is by Dove. It's their beautiful curls deep moisture miracle hair mask. बहुत लोगों को ये भी क्वेश्चन होता है कि कैसे समझेगा मॉइस्चर इंटेंस है कि प्रोटीन इंटेंस. मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द टाइम टब पे लिखा हुआ रहेगा, इस पे भी लिखा हुआ है डीप मॉइस्चर मिरेकल. सो ये ऑलमोस्ट हर इसमें पैकेजिंग में लिखा हुआ रहता है. द रिजल्ट्स आई गेट आफ्टर यूजिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट इज ऑलवेज अ 10 on 10. Sometimes I like to use it just as a like wash and go kind of product after shampoo. Now you can use this as a pre-poo, but I like to use it after my shampoo. I feel like it works 10 times better. So shampoo करने के बाद मैं ये लगा लेती हूँ अच्छे से properly अपने बालों पे. Lens पे do not apply hair conditioner or hair mask like this on your roots. It will weigh down your curls. So length पे अच्छे से ये लगा लेना है detangle करके. Let it sit for like 10-15 minutes. Wash it off and you're good to go. And as I said, ये बहुत ही अच्छा slip provide करता है, बहुत ही moisturizing है. After I wash it off, sometimes I like to go ahead with my styling routine if I want to go somewhere out. Otherwise, I just wash it off and come out of the shower. And फिर भी मेरे रिजल्ट्स अच्छे रहते हैं. इट डज नॉट फील वेरी फ्रिजी, द कर्ल्स आर पॉपिंग, इट हैज अ लॉट ऑफ शाइन, मॉइस्चर, एवरीथिंग that my hair needs. It just rehydrates, adds the life back into my hair. So I'm really happy with this. Just give it a try, you will know what I mean. The second hair mask I want to talk about is by Plum Macadamia hair mask. If you're an OG, you know it's my absolute favorite hair mask. And it still is. It's like the second bottle that I have finished. अभी वो खत्म हो चुका है तो मेरे पास है नहीं, मैंने फेंक दिया है. I need to repurchase it. So I'll just pop a picture over here. You know what I'm talking about. Absolutely beautiful hair mask. I feel that is a proper blend of moisture and protein both in it. वो लगाने के बाद ना honestly कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो मेरे बालों में, everything just gets fixed. My curls are always popping after using that hair mask. It just feels like a reset. Everything is like a reset. The ends are beautiful, the curls are curling, it's defined, it moisturizes, it's everything. Just try the Plum Macadamia hair mask and you will not regret it. It's a beautiful hair mask and a must have from my end. The third hair mask I want to talk about is by L'Oreal. Is their Metal DX hair mask. इस पे लिखा हुआ नहीं है कि ये moisture intense है कि protein intense, but I'm pretty sure it's a protein intense hair mask. इसका भी result मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद आता है and I like to use it when I have straightened my hair or just colored my hair. If I have a lot of heat processing done on my hair, this is the hair mask that I go to and it just revives and puts the life back into my hair. As I said, you need to see the result. You know what I mean? आप कुछ लगा रहे हो, अगर आपको result दिख के आता है, you kind of gravitate towards it more. These are those kind of products for me. I've used them, I've seen the results, and that's why these are my favorite. And I just know that all of these products work. This is one of them. Again, I like to use it after my shampoo. I like to pop this on. प्रीपू वाला भी कौन सा है मैं बताऊंगी कि कौन सा मुझे प्रीपू वाले में पसंद है. बट देन अगेन, everything has its own pros and cons, and I feel hair mask works better on clean hair, so that's why I like to use it after my shampoo. This is also one of them. Has a nice amazing slip, and this is also a miracle product. I absolutely love it. The next product I want to talk about is by Shea Moisture, is their Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. This is for a naturally chemically processed or heat styled hair. ये भी एक good indicator है to understand whether it's protein intense or moisture intense. अगर उसमें लिखा हुआ है for chemically processed heat styled hair, that means it needs an intense bond repair, which is protein. So that's what this is. But I feel this is a good mix of moisture and protein hair mask, because इससे भी कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो मेरे बालों में, it just gets fixed. These are those kind of hair mask, you know what I mean? Smells so freaking good, and this is how it looks like. It is a little bit on the expensive side, not an Indian brand at all, but Amazon पे मिल जाएगा in case you want it. It's a really great product. Amazing slip, amazing moisture, moisturizing ingredient, amazing protein intense ingredient that will really repair your hair, gives you that hydration and everything that your hair needs. So it's a good product, but as I said, expensive. The next one I want to talk about is by L'Oreal, is their Absolute Repair hair mask. Both of them is same. ये वाला पहले का packaging है. This is the new packaging. This is very similar to the Metal DX one, but I feel this one is more on the moisturizing side, and the Metal DX one was more on the protein side. Again, beautiful result. I love the slip that it gives. Again, my curls are nice and popping, and I see the results visually. Looks beautiful. The next one I want to talk about are these at-home spa kind of mask. This one is by Be Blunt. It's their Intense Moisture Heat Spa hair mask. And this one is by L'Oreal. It's their Extraordinary Oil Steam Mask. Both of them have that steam cap warming kind of thing, and उसमें conditioner है. I wanted to mention this because ये दोनों से मुझे actually good results मिले हैं. And ये जो लिखा हुआ है 5-minute hair spa thing, it's actually true, because the results are really good, and it just adds everything that your hair needs. जो steam cap है, ये self heating cap है, it makes sure that the hair mask penetrates deeper into the shaft and just works 10 times better. So these actually work and gives you really great results. If you're into them, I'll link them down below. Last but not the least, this is the Curl Up hair mask. This one is their Intense Hydrating hair mask, and this one is their Intense Bond Repair hair mask. Both are from the same brand but does completely different thing. This one is a hydrating, moisturizing, a deep hair mask, and this one is a protein rich. Again, a perfect combination of both, and I would suggest to have one moisture hair mask and one protein hair mask. I feel when you strike a good balance of both of them, that's when your hair is at the healthiest. अगर आप एक का भी overload कर लोगे कि moisture hair mask every week you're using only moisturizing hair mask, moisture, it could do a overload और आपके बाल बहुत ही ज़्यादा soft हो जाएंगे, बहुत ही ज़्यादा limp हो जाएंगे. It would feel like it's too soft, your curls are not curling then anymore, and then you would need a protein hair mask. So what I would suggest is do a moisture hair mask once a week, and the other week fluctuated use a protein hair mask. Again, both of them are really good products. I really like the moisturizing hair mask, gives amazing slip. This one just repairs my hair, especially when I've done straightening or anything. This is what I go to. Now, a lot of people are into like a CG friendly products, so these are CG friendly. Also, Plum Macadamia one is also CG. Baki sab mein most probably silicone rahega. I think Dove one also does not have. That is also a CG product, but rest everything silicones honge. But again, when you talk about hair mask, it must have silicones in order to coat your hair and repair your hair. So when it comes to hair mask, I really don't care whether it's CG or not. I just use it. So hope that helps. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. सारे products के link मैं description में दे दूंगी, so do not forget to check them out. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to roll with the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that man,